Okay, Vicky, on the new website, you may not know it. This is the new website, right? On the new website, if you scroll down after you've hit the button, take this course, right? Because on the new website, you're going to see something called resources, all right? And let's see, let me find those. References, video tutorials. Where's my reference? John, I'm not seeing. I feel it's really stupid. I'm trying to tell here. Oh, I see it. Blue Veil references. Got it. All right. References. All right. We're both seeing that, right? So now look, you'll see this, and then if you come over here, you'll see. Okay, so I've got my reference picture, color reference, right? Black and white, and then you'll see 12 by 16 color reference PDF, right? So if you click on that, this gives you can print out the whole thing in different pieces and then just to tape it all together. And that's on any of our newest videos have that in the resources, okay? We actually give it to you all pieced together. You don't even have to do Raceable, though that is on this website also, how to use Raceable yourself. But on the new ones, anything new this year that we've done, you've got that. So next time, if you're not sure, do that. And I wanted to share that with you. I thought that was important.